So what we have here, what we have here is a swarm of robots, and the way they work is that they all work together to solve problems. So for this demo, I'm going to be driving this one robot right here, the one with the flashing blue light, and all the other robots are going to be responding to my instructions. In a real application, you wouldn't really want to drive a robot directly. You'd want them to figure out what they want to do by themselves. So one of the things I want to understand is how to get large numbers of robots to work together as a group without humans telling them what to do. But for this demo, in order for me to show you each thing, I need to tell them what to do. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a line of robots. Let's say we just landed on Mars. We want them to all line up and go off to work. So off we go. So I've asked for all the robots to line up. Hopefully there'll be enough room. I'm trying to get them to line up, but there isn't quite enough room. There we go. So the one at the end isn't going to move. There isn't quite enough room for it to move. So this is following. The way this works is that each robot finds the robot nearest to it and says, you're number 2. You go to the next one, say you're number 3, and so forth and so on until you get the whole chain of robots. So let's get them all clustered together. So each robot has done its best to move as close as possible to the robot that was closer to the blue one than it was. So I gets them all together in one group. So this is obviously dispersion. All the robots are spreading out so that they get far away from each other. So this is what you'd want to use if you wanted to explore a large area. Now this next behavior is going to be hard to demonstrate in here. So we're trying to get them to all face the same direction, and you can move out as a group. Wow. So there's a simple flock. And we can turn around. Take them a second to all face the same direction again. And we can try the flock again. So they don't quite stay together. I wrote this software before I understood how to do flocking to keep all the robots together. Okay, so what else can we show you? Yeah. So this robot here, let's say it finds a bag. No, it likes the bag.
Likes the bag shiny. उसको चाहिए.
Okay, fine. So let's say it finds something interesting to explore, and this robot here needs help from this robot here. What I haven't told you yet is that their communication range, their communication range is only about 1 meter. So how can this robot navigate to that one over there? How can it get there from where it is? Who does? What do you say?